In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove checkboxes from Google Sheets. Now, this might seem like a simple task, but it can make all the difference when you're organizing your data. Whether you're cleaning up a spreadsheet or just trying to eliminate unnecessary clutter, getting rid of those checkboxes can certainly streamline your work. So, let's dive right in and walk through the entire process together. First off, the key to success lies in accessing your Google Sheets document. So, begin by navigating to Google Sheets on your web browser. Once you're there, open up the specific spreadsheet that you're looking to tidy up. Spend a moment to locate the sheet containing the checkboxes you want to remove. Take note of the spreadsheet layout so you understand exactly where these checkboxes are situated. This will save you time as you proceed. Next, you'll want to identify the checkboxes within your spreadsheet. Take a good look through your sheet to find these little boxes. They may be scattered across the cells or perhaps in a specific section, depending on how the sheet was set up. By now, you've located one or multiple checkboxes that you'd like to delete. Hover your cursor over the checkbox to select it. You'll see it gets highlighted, indicating it's the active cell. With the checkbox selected, it's time to say goodbye to it using your keyboard. Simply press the backspace or delete key. This straightforward action will remove the checkbox from the cell, leaving it blank. If you have multiple checkboxes to remove, you can use this same method to erase each one. Just make sure to select them individually and use the delete or backspace key accordingly. To ensure you've removed all unwanted checkboxes, scroll through your sheet one more time. Double-check those sections where you initially spotted the checkboxes. It's always good to be thorough, and this final sweep will confirm that your spreadsheet now appears exactly how you want it. By eliminating these unnecessary checkboxes, you may find your data looks cleaner and is easier to manage. And there you have it. Removing checkboxes from Google Sheets is indeed a quick and easy process. It's a small step, but it can have a significant impact on how you view and handle your information. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your spreadsheet is now much more organized without those pesky checkboxes. If you find this method convenient, share it with a colleague who might be facing the same challenge. It could potentially make their spreadsheet tasks a whole lot simpler. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.